Yeah, so anyways, this shift knob is from this guy at the Honda meet yesterday. I think he's called Shine or Die. He gave me these stickers too here. Shine or Die. I'm probably gonna put one on my window. So shout out that Omar. His name was Omar. Shout out Omar from Shine or Die. Yo, I just dropped it, but that's pretty fire. So I'm gonna put that on soon when I get the adapter, because you know Minnie's got to be weird about everything. But we're just gonna hope that that thing is not in the way, the headrest is not in the way. Okay, we're back. We are very much back. Up the private canyon, definitely. That's the only road I know in this city that is slightly fun to drive on, but it's way too bumpy, so I don't know. It's the best thing I have, so we'll make do. Also gotta fix the head. I don't even know if you guys can see that. Probably not. But the headliner in here is actually cooked, so I'm trying to order some fabric to fix it myself. But it's like $70 on Amazon for like suede. I want suede because I don't know, I'm not too big of a fan of whatever this material is on my roof right now. I want to do red to match the car, but I feel like that might look kind of tacky. I'm not gonna lie. So I don't know. I'll probably just do like the same color but suede, because I feel like that'll look better. There's also water spots all over my car because I forgot my oh yeah, we're cooked. We're cooked! Rest in peace to my money. Jeez, the car is already dirty. Wow. And we're in the turn lane. I always forget on this road, because I know one lane, this lane is normally closed off for construction, but they just opened it back up. I also haven't driven on this road yet. We're not there yet, but I'll show you. I haven't driven on there yet since I got my coilovers installed. And these things are so bumpy. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna survive this. I'll probably have to drive like 40 down the road. 'Cause unless they repaved the road in like the 2 months that it's been, we're cooked. But these are on my new wheels I got. They're on track tires. We're on Proxes, so they're pretty grippy actually. But not that will really help in a messed up road. We'll see though. We'll see. If you're seeing this, then we survived. It's actually a nice area down here. Then this road just pulls off into like country, I don't know. It's like a neighborhood and then it just ends up in the woods. Twisty road. It's actually quite fire. I'm probably gonna pull off though to the side and wait for like all these cars to go by, because I'm not trying to get stuck behind a Jeep going 40. That's no fun. There's a little gravel section you can pull over on. coming up. Let's hope I don't miss it. Yeah, it's up here. Hold on. No, they definitely. I saw. Yeah, we're cooked. I saw black asphalt, and I thought they redid the roads, but no. I gotta pull off here. Oh, slow down before. Holy divots. Yo. Okay. We're good. Why is it so busy? This road's never busy like this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're covered in dust. It is wraps for that car wash. If you can see though, does that not look pretty sweet? There's more cars coming still. But yeah, let's do a little cookie review. Let's see. We got 2 chocolate chip cookies. These are actually bomb from Tim Hortons. Let's see. All right, that's pretty fire. I give it a 9, even though I have these all the time. Chocolate chip cookie review from Tim Hortons, I definitely recommend. There's more cars coming, so we're gonna wait even longer. I'll cut back to, when we actually can drive. There's a car coming. First car in like 3 minutes, so we should be good. Windows up because the wind noise is kind of nuts. My phone looks like it's about to fall, so let's see. The phone did fall. I don't know. This section's pretty smooth, so I don't have to worry about like destroying my car. There was a pretty big hole I hit though, which was not too fun. So this lane looks a lot smoother though than the lane coming back. Alright, we're rubbing. A little bit of rubbing. It's pretty bumpy. But this is not even the worst part. Yeah, we're probably gonna... We need to find a new road. There's gotta be more, right? We're just cruising along here. Because I don't feel like blowing up a coilover. That would not be too fun. There's definitely more uphill sections on this part though. Like on the way back. Little stop sign. Crossing this road is a nightmare. That wasn't too bad. Come on, CRV, let's see it. Not that I'm going to be able to drive any faster, because you can probably hear it. I'm not too sure what the mic sounds like yet, but like it does not sound good. This is definitely not safe to go flying down. Not at all. I'm going the speed limit right now. 60. 60 kilometers an hour. Oh, it's a 50. But anyways, yeah, this nuts. I don't know, man. Should I make a petition for the city to repave this road? Tell them it's unsafe, because it is quite bad. One of the worst roads I've seen. Like the actual shape of the road, all the curves and stuff is quite enjoyable. It's not very long though, like we're already done. It does go further in the other direction, but then there's nowhere to turn around for a while and I need to fix the camera. So maybe another day I'll loosen up the coilovers because they're pretty stiff right now. I'll loosen them up and go back down that way. That might, or rub it. We'll calm down. We're back in the neighborhood part. Let me know what you guys think of the car. My first car, I think it's pretty sick. I put all the stuff I've done to it, I put coilovers on it. The previous owner put an exhaust on it. I put new wheels on it. They're Whistler. I think they're KR1s.